This four-door, five-passenger truck is ready to drive off the showroom floor. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as a tachometer, voice-activated navigation, a power seat, a blind spot monitoring system, front fog lights, and a split folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 19 speakers, yielding a symphony-like audio experience. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.